What is going on, everybody? My name is Robert Watkin and welcome back to another tutorial. This is another YouTube tips and tricks tutorial, and in this one I'm going to be showing you how to add custom ad breaks to your videos. So essentially this is a way to make more ad revenue off your videos. This can't be done on every video, however. It can only be done on videos which are 10 minutes or over. So if you do have videos which are shorter than 10 minutes, you can't do it on them. Also, if you haven't hit the right criteria for monetization, which I believe is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time per year, then unfortunately you won't be able to do this either. But let's say your channel is monetized and you are wanting to make more money off your YouTube channel, then I'm going to show you how to do this now. So first of all, you're going to want to go into your Creator Studio, which is just if you click on the logo in the top corner and click on Creator Studio right there, you'll be brought to it. And then you want to go into your video manager, which is there. Now that you are on your video manager, you'll be able to see all the videos you have on your channel. Now, if we actually look at these videos here, I've got a few which haven't actually gone up yet. They're scheduled to go up, but more importantly, we want to look on the actual thumbnail here. You'll be able to see the duration of the video, and like I said before, you can only do custom ad breaks if the video is over 10 minutes. So you can see that all these videos aren't eligible. This one's almost eligible, but it's not. That one's not. This one is. So you can actually see that most of my videos on my channel don't make use of custom ad breaks. I tend not to make my videos over 10 minutes. Often I don't even make them over 5 minutes, just because of the nature of my videos being quite short tutorials. But getting into this a bit more now, if we actually go to one of these 10-minute videos, so for example, the My First Ever Game video, this was 10 minutes and 44 seconds. If we click edit on here, this will bring us to the settings page for this video. And then if we go down to the little tabs here, you want to click on monetization. If you don't see these, make sure you are on info and settings. If you're not on that, then click on that, and then you can click on monetization. Now, you've probably seen this standard little monetization setting before if you are used to monetizing your videos. This is where you usually get a similar thing when you're uploading a video, where you can actually choose which type of ads you want. And if the video is over 10 minutes, I don't believe you actually get this ad break button or this ad break feature until the video is uploaded, so you have to go this way anyway. But this is where you can actually choose where you want the ads. Now, the first thing you'll notice is you've got before video. This will be ticked automatically, so you'll already have the before video on. So this means before the video plays, you'll get an advert there. You also have the option to play an advert at the end of the video. So if the video ends and the user's got all the way through it, then it'll play an advert then. Now, I've ticked this because this is the one I want to have on for this video. A lot of the times, no one will make it to the end of the video, so it's a really rare amount that actually do get to the end. So the ratio of people who watch this advert at the end to the people who watch this advert at the beginning is going to be much lower. Now, if you were wanting to make just loads and loads of money, you could just spam adverts. You could go click where you want on the video, click insert ad, then 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 insert ad. You get where I'm going with this, but that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea. Imagine you were watching a video and every 10 seconds a 30-second advert popped up. Yeah, you would be pretty annoyed, wouldn't you? So I would never recommend doing that. Depending on the length of the video will I would say that the length of the video will determine what's reasonable for adverts. Often I would say if it is a 10-minute video, maybe put another one in. Often I wouldn't really bother. I would usually just leave it with the beginning and end, or maybe put one later on in the video. So for example, around here, just when it is getting towards the end of the video. I would never recommend having one really close to the beginning of the video, because that means people are going to come in, they're going to watch an advert, get a couple minutes in, and then see another advert straight away, and it's just going to be really frustrating for them. So I would not recommend that at all. Also, to remove ad breaks, you just click on them and then click the little cross there. Now, one of the cool features with the ad break option is you can actually suggest placements, and YouTube will show you where it recommends you to have an advert. So it recommends that I have one at 7 minutes and 18 seconds, and if we click on there, we can actually then click preview, and it'll show us the preview of it. Now, it just happened in that part of the video, there was nothing going on, it was just a black screen. So I mean, I guess that's not a bad part to have an ad break then, because it's kind of like a little break in the video. But yeah, often try and have a think about where you're going to put your ad breaks. Think if they would be annoying. If it is a longer video, like let's say it's an hour-long video or it's a live stream you've put onto YouTube, then fair enough, put an ad break every 15 minutes or so. I think a lot of people would find that fairly reasonable. If we're equated to like TV, for example, usually watch TV for like 15 minutes, half an hour, and then you'll get a few adverts. So be reasonable with it. Don't absolutely spam your YouTube with ads, or no one's going to want to watch your videos. It's a stupid idea. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you add custom ad breaks. If you would like to see any more tutorials, then be sure to tell me, I don't know who them is, tell me in the comments below. Also, if this video did help, then consider liking, consider subscribing, and that is going to be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.